my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. I am super excited for today's video because it's going to be a little bit different than usual typical beauty videos. So I am going to talk about the best decor items that I found on Amazon. So it may be furniture or any decor pieces that I got from Amazon, and I have quite a few. So you guys know I have my own studio right now, so to have all these decor items, I was looking through Amazon for months and months, and yeah, I feel like these are the best aesthetic pieces that I got. The quality is good and I absolutely love each and every one of them. So let's just dive right in. So the first thing that we have here is this amazing vase or vase, however you want to say that word. Okay, so this, when you look at it, you feel like, okay, this is a showpiece, but it's actually not. It is a vase. You can use this as a vase or you can use this like a showpiece. I like to use this as a showpiece in my bookshelf. I'll just keep it in one of the shelves and it just looks so nice. It's very minimal. Having this kind of pieces just elevates your space, and yeah, you can have one or two of these things and it's just instantly going to make your room look so aesthetic. You can put this in your living room, or even you can use this in your drawing room or your bedroom if you want to use it. Like, I really like this one so much. I also have a black one right there, so I got like two pieces, but the black one has because of my fault, I wasn't opening it nicely, so the paint on the black one is a little bit torn off, but this one is beautiful and it's not too heavy, but it's not really lightweight also, so I like it so much. So the next thing that we are going to talk about here are these candles that you see. So these candles are actually fake candles, but I love it so much. I love the look of candles burning in the background. I have loved it for quite some time, and I always wanted to get something that looks very warm, and this is the perfect candle that I found. Now this is a little bit on the expensive side. This one retails for around 1,000 something like that, but I got the other candles as well. I got the other fake candles which were like 600, 500. Those don't look as good as these honestly, they look so like nah. Like, they don't look that fake, I'll be very honest. Also, the light, the warm light that this candle gives is very, very close to your normal candle. And you get a very nice remote with it as well, where you can, just manipulate the settings. You can put it on candle or you can put it on light as well. You can dim the lighting, you can up the lighting. That's really, really good. I absolutely fell in love with this candle. The quality of these candles are really good. So if you are someone, you want to spice up your room, you want to bring a little bit of that warm aesthetic in your room, then I feel like having these candles are a must. Also, I want to say that if you are someone you like the look of those really good amazing candles in your room, or you are a content creator that needs to have that kind of aesthetic, then I feel like going for a fake candle is so much cheaper. I used to buy tons of candle, like I love candle anyway, but I used to buy more candles because of filming sessions that I used to do, and it used to cost me a lot. But having these now is very, very kifaiti, I'll say that. So yeah, absolutely in love with the quality. I'm very, very happy with these purchases. Okay, so the next thing that I got here is this, again, a vase. But I like this vase because, as you can see, it's very minimal. Again, I am someone, I love decor pieces that are very minimal, and you can use this in so many different ways. So now, as you can see, I have some lavender flowers. This one I got from my friend, she gifted this to me. So anyway, as you can see, this vase, you can honestly just keep this vase like it is. You can put some fresh flowers in here, you can put maybe one or two dried flowers also, but I love the design of this. It feels very vintage, like in the 90s, back when I was a kid. I remember having this kinds of pieces, like my mom used to have these kinds of pieces, and I feel like that trend, that aesthetic is back again, that very minimal sort of aesthetic. It honestly isn't much, but when I was looking through like quite fast like this on Amazon, I came across a lot of different items, but this caught my eye and I'm so happy that I got it because it's honestly just, it looks very timeless and it suits my style completely. So the next piece of item that I have here is this amazing mushroom lamp, and I have been seeing this lamp on Pinterest so much. Like, I'm telling you, I have mood boards on Pinterest for all the decor items that I need to have in my studio, and I kept on seeing these mushroom lamps, but I couldn't find anything, on like here in India, I couldn't find anything. And if I found something, it was like around the price of 3,000, 4,000, and I wasn't willing to spend 4,000 on a table lamp. Then I came across this lamp on Amazon while I was searching for a mushroom lamp, and oh my god, I love the marble design it has. It's so beautiful. It's like a decor item, but it also works like a lamp. So obviously you have to put the bulb thing by yourself. They don't provide you the bulb, but I love this piece so much. Like, it's something that when I saw it, I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. But yes, obviously you have to be careful with it because it's glass. And yeah, so this is what I keep near my bedside, and sometimes I like to keep it near my bookshelf as well, just like sometimes I make things up. So yeah, I absolutely love this. And if you're looking for a really nice aesthetic table lamp maybe, then you can look into this. It retails for around like 600 or something, really inexpensive for the quality that you're getting, really good. So the next piece is a piece that is very small and very chotu and very cute, but I really wanted to put this in today's video. It's a little plant and I love this. I actually keep this like in you won't be able to see, but in my bookshelf as well. Sometimes I'll just put this on top of my books. Sometimes I'll keep this in my bathroom. Again, I film in so many different areas that I need pieces like this. If you have a very nice bathroom and you want that very high type of maintenance aesthetic, then you can have these small plants, the fake ones, and you can buy real ones, of course. But I am someone, I cannot take care of a plant at all. May it be cactus, may it be a plant that doesn't need to be watered, but I don't know, something is there. Whenever I get a plant, it dies. So fake plants are the best thing for me. Even this one that you see here, this is fake as well. Okay, so anyway, you can keep this in your bathroom near the basin and also I like to keep this in my dressing table everywhere. Whenever I feel like I need this kind of small plant aesthetic, I'll just keep this, and it's very cute, very tiny, but very pretty. So the next thing that I have here is actually a book. So this is the Little Guide to Coco Chanel. So this actually is for my girlies that love to incorporate something aesthetic in your dressing room maybe, or in your vanity. If you want to decorate your vanity, if you want to have those aesthetic items and have that kind of decor, then I feel like you need this product. So this actually was a little bit expensive. I think I paid like around 600 or maybe 500, I don't remember, but I like to keep this again in my bookshelf. Sometimes I will keep this in my table as well. Whatever aesthetic I want that day, I will keep it according to that. But I love the print of this. I love the design of this book. It's very small, and yeah, I just like to keep it in my dressing table or vanity sometimes. And if you are someone looking for the book aesthetic of Chanel, I think they have a Louis Vuitton one as well on Amazon, but that one was quite expensive, so I went for the Chanel one because this was the most inexpensive one, and it's very tiny as well, which is something that I absolutely did love. So yeah, this has all the quotes and like, this is not just a dummy book. It has all the quotes and everything written. So yeah, for Instagram pictures and stuff, this is really good. So the last thing that I have here is a bean bag. So a bean chair or bean bag. Okay, anyway, this chair that I got, this couch, it's almost like a couch for me. It's amazing. Like, oh my god, it's so comfortable. It was for the price of 4,000. I absolutely love it so much, and I posted a video of this couch on Instagram, and a lot of you guys asked me where it was from. So it's from Amazon, and they have different cushion covers, like couch covers. They have this in different colors, so if you want something different than this, then obviously you can go for it. I absolutely love this couch so much, and I know that a lot of you guys were asking me about it, so I thought of including it in today's video. And this is a product that I feel like I was searching for the longest time. And for me, I'll be very honest, it's very hard to come by decor pieces, especially because I don't have IKEA here. I don't have those amazing, furniture stores here to get really good aesthetic pieces, and IKEA doesn't ship to Guwahati. So it's very hard for me to come across products, so I tend to buy from Amazon mostly. And when the quality is this great, I really want to tell you guys and inform you as well about it. So anyway, I really love this and it's very comfortable. Like, this is the chair that I film on. This is the couch. I don't know what you call this. Couch, chair, whatever it is. I love it. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your favorite pieces from the bunch that I showed you, or if you want me to do anything like this in the future. I do have, you know, a lot of things that I got from Amazon that I still really love and I couldn't fit in today's video. So let me know about it and I will definitely make another one of this. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.